Welcome back. Now, if you are an Amazon associate or you're part of the Amazon affiliate program, you are not allowed to put these links inside of your Kindle book directly. So if you want to direct people to affiliate products that you're promoting, you'll need to put them on a website and then have those website links inside of your Kindle book. However, just make sure that your Kindle book is not a way of just generating affiliate income. Now, one of the things that you may have noticed when you are sending a Kindle book preview is that you are encouraged to use your Amazon Associates ID to earn advertising revenue. Now, this is available to authors also, so that if you send individuals to your page with your Amazon Associates ID, you can earn as an associate as well as if the individual buys the book as an author also. What this also means is that you'll be able to use the tracking mechanisms inside of Amazon Associates to get intelligence on how many people are coming to your page inside of Amazon if you're using Amazon affiliate links. So as you consider how to promote your book on your site, consider using your Amazon affiliate link. Not only will you get the additional revenue as an associate, you'll also get tracking features in addition to them. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.